Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on Sycamore. Sycamore is St. Simon's School's primary student information system. This is where you can find information on your student, schedules, grades, and homework. Please go to app.sycamoreschool.com. Our school number is 2632. Your family should have been assigned a login and a password. If you do not have that information, please contact the office. Once you log in, you'll be taken to our home page. There you can find interesting news, a calendar of events, and important documents with regards to St. Simon's School. You will also see, hopefully, a picture of your student or students to the right. If you click on their picture and go to their profile, you can then have access to their information. So for example, this is my pretend daughter, Polly. She is registered as an 8th grader. Here is where I can go and I can see current assignments, missing assignments, and upcoming events. I can also locate her grades. She is currently not really enrolled in any classes. Otherwise, each grade would show up with a subject matter. I can also then click on the grade and see what grade she got for each assignment. Since Polly is an 8th grader, and if your student is in 4th through 8th grade, this is where you will go to find out information on them. If your student is in a younger grade, K through 3, you can go ahead and click on Schedule and click their homeroom class. This will take you to a homeroom page. On the News tab, you can find out what is happening on a daily basis in your classroom. There would also be any homework or assignments listed here. Again, you would have calendar and documents. So any important documents that your homeroom teacher would feel that would be necessary would go here. For example, carpool information, or if we have a field trip, that information would go there. Your students also have an individual login for Sycamore. That can be accessed through our Clever portal. If you click on Access Clever on our main home page, you can then click on Clever to be able to sign in. If I wanted to log in my make-believe student, Polly, I would use her lunch code and then her birthday, month/day/year, and that will log her in. Then it will present Polly with all the different things that she gets to log into. This would show her class information, Common Lit, Desmo, anything that her teacher has wanted her to have. You'll also see then there is a Sycamore School. If she clicked on Sycamore School, she could log directly into Sycamore School. The only time the student would need to log in rather than the parent is if there is a specific assignment assigned through Sycamore, like a test or a quiz. Then the student would have to log in with their credentials. Now back to our home page. I would encourage you to check out the different options that you have over to the left. And if you have any questions or can't find something, please feel free to contact us. I hope you have a great day.